Okay, this is number 38. Startup on number 38. Heating startup. Wednesday, 4/3/2013. Goodman furnace, 12:59 in the afternoon. Might as well call it 1 p.m. 1 p.m. on a little 40,000, I think it is. It's a 40,000 BTU. Pretty quiet. Pretty impressed with it. Not as loud as the Rheem. Kind of liking this Goodman equipment. Had some good luck with it so far. Seen an old one. It's in pretty good shape. Start up on the heat. Doing a 5-minute burn off for the oil off the heat exchanger. And all that kind of good stuff. This noise level at the furnace at about 3 feet with the door off. Let me stick the door back on. It's any quieter. Let's see. There's the door. There's a noise level at like 3 feet. Of course, with the main door open, so should be acceptable. Kind of like it. Okay, thanks for watching.